What's up, guys? It's a beautiful start of the week, and I'm so excited for this week already. All right. And one reason why I'm so excited is not even because gold opened yesterday the way I was anticipating before the end of the week, because on Friday I was actually anticipating for gold to actually open and gap up because of fundamentally Donald Trump is going crazy with all his policies and all of that. And you know, when we have all this turmoil in the market, what happened? Investors moved toward to safe haven assets like gold. So I knew all of this was going to be happening over the weekend, and at the opening of the market I was expecting what? I was expecting the market to gap up, and as you can see on your screen, we had one of the biggest gaps we've ever seen in the Forex market. And just before the market, even 1 hour after that, all my TPs from Fridays were already hit. You can see the profits we made on this account. This was my private account. You know, it was an all or nothing rule I was trying to play here, but boom, almost about 80K done, and we're close. We're done. For the whole of today, I'm just watching, but now I want to bring to you guys an opportunity that will be able to help you guys throughout the week if you're going to be trading the same assets I'm trading. Let's start with trading with big capital. What you guys just saw was on my private account of almost about $300,000, right? Most of you guys won't just afford to have $100,000 or even $10,000 to deposit in your private account. So I advise you go with a prop firm. A prop firm, whether you like it or not, is the only medium in which you'll be able to make something reasonable in Forex trading, because you need big capital. When you have the skills, what you need after that is big capital. So that's why I'll still bring you guys my recommended prop firm, and I'm going to be showing you guys exactly what you should do, how you should be trading those prop firms this week. So my recommended prop firm obviously is going to be FundingPips. They just recently crossed 200 million in payout to traders worldwide. 200 million verified payout to traders worldwide. And to verify or to celebrate that milestone, I'm going to be also personally giving you guys 25% discount on any purchase you're going to be doing on any challenge you're going to be buying with FundingPips. Whether you are a new or an existing trader, you're going to be getting 25% off. So just use the coupon code on your screen, Godlove, and you get 25% discount at checkout from today. It's for limited time only, so make sure you take advantage of this opportunity. Assuming you already have your account set, also stay to the end of the video because there's a gift for you guys at the end of this short video. Assuming you already have your accounts like me, I just took that advantage and I bought myself a 50K account. With this fresh 50K account, let me show you guys step by step how you're going to be trading this week. And I'm going to be taking the most viral Forex trading strategy, which has already been rated the most viral for 2026, which is the GUMVR strategy. So come with me on my screen. We're going to go through all the assets. We're going to take trades if we see them. And I'm also going to show you guys how to plan for trades before they even occur. So let me just quickly open my trading view. And we're going to go step by step with no step skip on all the trades we're going to be taking. And I'm also going to be taking the trades live with you guys. Our trading view is open. And as always, you can see that your organization is key. All right. Organization is key when it comes to trading. You need to be very organized. You can see here it says GUMVR. That's the strategy we're going to be using. If you didn't watch the strategy video I made, which is the one which has gone viral, just click the link above and you'll be able to watch that particular strategy video. On this video, I'm going to be assuming you've already watched the strategy video, so we're just going to be going straight into the practicals. Now, anytime you see a chart in front of you, there are two steps we need to follow to be able to execute a trade. The number one step is to know what you need. So in our case, we need to know, number one, the asset, all right? Because you need to know the lot size you are using on that particular trade so that you can only risk a particular percentage of your account. I'm gearing towards risk and money management, which is key. Only through proper risk and money management are you going to be able to have an edge, which is going to make you a profitable Forex trader. Risk and money management is very important. And for this strategy, we start with risk and money management. It's not how much you make when you are right, but how much you lose when you are wrong. Capital preservation is key when it comes to trading. So you need four things. You need to assets you're going to be trading. In our case, let's just say the asset, let's just say we say XAU, USD, or anyone, or maybe Euro, Euro USD, right? That's the asset we're going to be trading. Number 2, you need to know the account size. Remember, all of this is for you to know the exact lot size you can use. On MetaTrader 5, it's very easy for you to just drag those lines up and down to say, oh, this is how much I'm risking, this is how much I'm... But how will you even be able to press buy or sell? What lot size will you be able to use? You need to be able to follow this method to calculate the lot size you can use. I always say execute your trades on your computer or plan your trades on your computer or trading view, and you can only manage them on your mobile. You shouldn't be using your mobile phone to execute your trade because you are limited on a lot of things. Account size. Account size in our case, let's just assume we are trading with a $100,000 account. And then percentage risks, number 3. Let's put number 3. Percentage risks per trade. So in our case, we're going to risk 1%. And then stop loss, number 4, we need stop loss in pips. Voila, stop loss in pips. This is the one you are going to calculate now. So if we are talking about something like this asset you are seeing here, which is Euro NZD, you've already gotten this step taken out of the way. Let's go now into the strategy itself. First thing of the strategy is to know the direction of the market. GUMVR, if you haven't watched the strategy video, please go and watch the strategy video. First thing, determine the direction of the market. And to determine the direction of the market, the moving averages are going to tell us. We had a cross right here where the fast moving average crossed over the slow moving average from above. Since then, we've been selling. So we have been in a downtrend. We haven't gotten any cross anymore. You've just seen the slow moving average above the fast moving, and we're slipping, meaning this market is in a downtrend. No matter what you do, no matter what you say, no matter how you analyze, you're going to see this market on a downtrend. Is that simple? Is that mechanical? Is that simple? So since you're already on a downtrend, when do you get into the trade? We have gotten into this trade right here on a sell, stop loss somewhere here, and take profit risks to the reward of 1:2. Then we drop our FIP again from there to there. The market would have put here about 38% level here. Would have gotten on a sell again here, stop loss here, take profit, and then our FIP again would have run again from most significant swing low to our most significant swing high right here. You can see the market push right up to our 50% level and then close bearish. We would have entered on a sell again somewhere here. Our stop loss just go above the candle right here. We go for a risk to reward of 1:2. Boom, we would have already been out of the trade. It's mechanical. We would have already made about 6% on these particular setups alone. Since the current market price is here, where can we get into the trade? Remember, with this strategy, more money is made waiting than actually trading. You need to be able to practice the waiting game. Here, we just have to wait. We have to wait for two things to happen. For the market to continue push down until it start forming what? Our most significant swing high, which is going to be somewhere here. Then our FIP is going to run from our most significant swing low, which is there, to our most significant swing high. And then we'll wait for the market to push right up to, number 1, our 38% level, 50 or 60, and then close bearish. As soon as it push to any of those levels and close bearish, and then we're going to be entering on a sell, stop loss will go there, and then we'll go for a risk to reward of 1:2. So we keep doing that until when we see something like this, boom, when the fast moving average cross over the slow moving average from below. At that point in time, we're going to confirm now a bullish trend, and we'll always start looking for buy opportunity, not sell opportunity. We only want to trade in the direction of the market. We don't want to catch a falling knife. So that is it. So in our case, we just have to play the waiting game on Euro NZD. Let's quickly, we're going to be very, very fast because I want us to be able to take some few trades. So let's go to obviously almighty gold. So on almighty gold, we had a cross right here. We've been in an uptrend, and the other thing we can do here is to plot our most significant swing low, most significant swing high. Our FIB is then going to run from here to here, and then we are going to play the waiting game for the market to push right down here, here, and here. And then if it closes bullish on any of these zones, that's when we're going to be looking to buy. Stop loss will go below that candle, and then we go for a risk to reward of 1:2. So for now on gold, we are just playing the waiting game. It's as easy as that. US tech, which is NASDAQ, what are we waiting right here? The same thing happened on NASDAQ yesterday. The market gap very, very low on NASDAQ, and we had a confirmed cross right there. Most significant swing low, most significant swing high. If our FIB is then run from there to there, you see, we need to play the waiting game for the market to push right up to where? To 38.51, 38.50 or 61, then close bearish on any of these zones, and then we'll look for a sell. As easy as that. Let's go to Great Britain Pound USD. Great Britain Pound USD, I can already see. Let's go to Great Britain Pound USD. All right. Great Britain Pound USD, I like this pullback. We would have entered on a buy right here because this cross was confirmed somewhere here. We're a little bit late on Great Britain Pound USD. We're a little bit late. This confirm was this candle confirmation, or this bullish cross was confirmed by the close of this candle. So we would have entered right here. So for now, we're just going to play the waiting game for the market to go up until when it starts pulling against the trend. This will become our most significant swing low, significant swing high. Our fib will run from here to here, and then we'll wait for our key levels, then to continue the upper direction. Let's see. I want us to be able to have at least 1 or 2 trades that we are able to trade, but we're not going to force trades. If we see the ones that have aligned according to our setups, those are the ones we're going to be taking. We are again in the typical uptrend right here on Euro USD. If our fib can run from here to here, we can see very, very clearly the market has actually pushed down to a 38% level and is threatening to close bullish. So you need to exercise patience. You need to exercise patience for it to actually come here, here, and here and close bullish for you to actually take the trade. But for the sake of this video, since I want to be able to show you guys the risk management that goes into the video, I want us to be able to take this particular one, right? And remember, we need 4 things. Let's start writing again. Number 1, the asset we're going to be trading in our case is Euro USD. That's the asset, Euro USD. Number 2, we need to know the account size. So we just purchased a 50K account size, which I showed you guys. Number 3, percentage risk per trade, which in our case, I want us to risk 1% of our account. And then stop loss in pips, we have to actually measure. So we go to our measurement tool. If we are buying somewhere here, let's even just bring this one in. We're going to be longing. We're going to be buying this market. So if we are buying there, I want our stop loss to go right here, which this should be about 70. I want our stop loss right here. Okay, and then our TP risk to reward of 1:2. So we're risking 11 pips to go for 22 pips. That's it. So we already know our stop loss in pips. Now we need a software we can use to calculate the lot size. So just go to Godlove University and then click on position size calculator. Godlove University position size calculator is right there. And here we're just going to click on Forex calculator because that's the one we need. And on this Forex calculator, you're going to see very, very clearly the calculator is going to load right here. All right. So this one is currently under maintenance as we speak. Let's see. So when you come here, obviously, they'll ask for your email. Just input your email. My email was already there since I was recently calculating something. So this one, rigs of this, account size, let's just say this, and then, okay, let's see something. Let's select our asset. Our asset was Euro USD, right? Euro USD. What was our stop loss again? Our stop loss was 11. And what's the account size? The account size is 50,000. So if you just click immediately, you just leave your mouse, the lot size is going to show right there. Put your account size, risk per account, and then the asset is right up here. These are the 4 things. Number 1, the asset, you select it right there. That's the asset right there. So you just come there and you type your asset, it's going to be there. And then number 2, the account size, which is $50,000, risk per trade 1%, stop loss in pips, you put 11. It means the lot size we can use here is 4.4 lot size or 4.5 or 4.6 lot size if we are rounding it down. To confirm if your calculation is correct, you have to see here a risk amount $500, which is 1% of $50,000. Now, if you come here sometime, this one might be under update. You can still click on this alternative one. Alternative calculator is going to open on a new website. Let's just use it again to confirm if our lot size is correct, 4.6. So we come here again, we select the asset, which is Euro USD. Euro USD should be somewhere. Currencies USD, account balance is 50,000. Risk per trade 1%, stop loss 11 pips. Click on calculate, 4.5, the same, 4.5 or 4.6, which was the same thing we just got here. So can you see how all the calculators are correct and all the calculations and all the lot size are the same? So we just hurriedly go back to where to MetaTrader 5, and that's where we're going to be placing our trade. We just come here on Euro USD. What was our lot size again? 4.5, and then it was a buy. We click on buy. Let's just go there. That is it. Click on buy, and then we're going to quickly modify the position. Right click on the position. We go up to where it says modify. We're going to put stop loss in pips, and here you need to put it in points. So 11 pips is the same as 110 points, and 22 pips is the same as 220 points. So you need to understand that. Boom, that's our stop loss, that's our take profit. We are done for that one. We are already up by almost about $15 in profit. Let's see if we can see the last position to be able to round up for our video. Let's just quickly go here. Let's quickly go here. And let's see your USD JPY. USD JPY. Voila, I can see a sell on USD JPY. Remember, what am I saying a sell? I don't even need to be doing deep analysis. This was a cross right down, and we've been on a downtrend ever since. All right, and the market has been producing lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and then it has produced another lower low, right? So our fib can then run from here to here. And if our fib can run from there to there, you can see we are already getting to where we've gotten to the 61% level, and then the market has crossed bearish right here. We haven't gotten the candle confirmed. We haven't gotten the candle cross where the fast cross over the slow from below. So we are still in a downtrend. So we're going to be selling this one right here. Now let's confirm the lot size. Let's confirm the lot size. And for us to confirm the lot size, we need to know the stop loss in pips. So our stop loss is going to go right here on 20 pips. We're going to reach 20. Let's reach 20 pips to go for 40 pips on that one. All right. Let's reach 20 pips to go for 40 pips, reach to the reward of 1:2. So let's quickly calculate our lot size to know which one we're going to be using. Lot size, this one was USD JPY. If you guys can remember, 50,000 again, 1%, and the stop loss was 22. We're going to be risking 22 pips. If you click away from the screen, just click away anywhere. Lot size is 2.3. So here we need USD JPY, and it was a sell. Remember, lot size is 2.2, and we click on a sell. That's the position right there. We need to modify the position. Modify. Stop loss is 22 pips, which is 220 points, and take profit is 44 pips, which is 440 points. Boom. Click on that, and if you can go right to the end of the screen, you can see it right there. That's our nicely designed trade right there. That's our sell, stop loss, and take profit. So let's see how it goes. We already have 2% of our account at risk, and what I'll always advise is, if you are trading a Profirm account and that Profirm account has given you, say, a daily drawdown of 5%, and you're risking 1% of your account per trade, don't take more than 5 trades at a time. So we would have taken more trade, but for the sake of the video, like I said, we're going to end it here. But if you are trading for the Profirm, don't take more than 5 trades at a time, because remember, you're risking 1% per trade. You are telling yourself that even if all these trades don't go my way, let me not blow my account. So you see, this is how you trade this strategy on a Profirm account. I'm just going to wait for it to either hit my stop loss or my take profit, and that is it. Even if I have a 40% win rate on this strategy, at the end of the day, I'm still going to be making money. Why? Because my risk to reward is 1:2, and even if I have a 40% win rate and I take 10 trades per day, at the end of the day, I'm still going to close the day with plus 2% of my account. That's the power of the strategy, and the ability for you to make money with this strategy, even if you have less than a 50% win rate. Again, I promise you guys a gift at the end of the video. The first gift is going to be the opportunity for you guys to get 25% off any purchase with FundingPips, because I want you guys to be able to trade with big capital in 2026. Don't sit and still be making promises or still be making excuses. Use the coupon code on your screen, Godlove, and you'll be able to get 25% off at checkout. Whether you are new or an existing trader with FundingPips, the coupon code is going to apply to all traders. And again, let me know in the comment section how you are seeing this strategy, how you are practicing with this strategy, also your best future with FundingPips, or if you've gotten a payout, or if you've gotten, you've passed any challenge, you are seeing any profit with the GUMVR strategy. Let me know in the comment section. I'm going to be picking 10 traders, all right? In 78 hours, in 72 hours, I'm going to be picking 10 traders, and they'll all have $10,000 profit accounts from me to trade. So let me know in the comment section your thoughts. That's how I'm able to create what you guys want to see. I'm able to create what's going to help you, because I want to always hear from you guys. Check out my free Telegram community where I share tips on how to make money on Forex market on a daily basis. And if you want me to mentor you one-on-one, check out Godlove University, where I'm going to take you guys A to Z. And if you're looking for a Forex robot that is also accepted by FundingPips, it's accepted by all pro firms, check out Paytrex Pro. That remains the #1 and the most profitable Forex robot out there. Make sure you check out this video, which was a full detailed review I made about FundingPips to show you guys the awesome futures. Also click here on this playlist. This is a playlist that's going to help you to win in Forex in 2026. Click here to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on these other videos. Peace.